What's the whole point of citation? Why do citation styles have all of these rules about italics, capitalization, punctuation, spacing, all that?
Citation style guidelines such as APA, MLA, and Turabian style are developed by professional associations, journals, or sometimes individual schools. Your professor at your campus will ask you to use one of these styles in classes like these. No matter what style you use for various classes, they all serve the same purpose.
First, they help the reader. Uniform style helps readers scan articles quickly for key points and findings. When authors follow a particular style, readers are able to clearly identify the key elements of the study or the analysis.
Keeping accurate and consistent references ensures that readers will be able to trace the original sources of information if readers want to verify the author's conclusions or carry out further research on the same topic.
They help prevent inconsistencies within a work and across the discipline. An author writing for a publication must follow the rules established by the publisher in order to be published. For example, without the rules of style, 3 different manuscripts might use 3 different ways of writing subtest in one issue of a journal or a book. Such variations in style may be confusing, and additionally, variations in word form can confound locating articles about the same topic. If every author uses a different word form to describe the content, the researcher needs to perform multiple searches to find all related articles.
They help the author focus on their research. When authors use one style consistently, they remove the distraction of puzzling over the format of a manuscript or the correct punctuation for a reference or the proper format for numbers and text. Those elements are outlined in the set rules to follow for clear communication, allowing authors to focus their intellectual energy on the substance of their research.
Finally, the guidelines facilitate scholarly conversation and growth of knowledge in a field. By following the specific format accepted in that field, authors ensure that readers from different disciplines can more easily understand and compare studies.
So when should you use each style? Your professors are familiar with one particular style, so they may require you to use that one for many of your writing assignments for them, such as research reports, literature reviews, literary analyses, case studies, and evidence-based application and analysis papers. Some of the guidelines will not always fit every single class assignment, or even every single type of source you may use, but if there's not a direct example to follow, you can usually find a similar example and modify it as needed. Talk to your professor if you have questions about the requirements for your specific assignment. The official citation style guidelines are published in book format. You may find it useful to buy your own copy if you think you will use it in many classes.
But the library has copies for you to use at the reference desk and in the main collection. We also have useful online and printable cheat sheet guides for the 3 main styles available here. The Purdue Online Writing Lab also has great citation examples to follow.
Don't hesitate to contact the library with any questions.